In pictures, Zodwa Wabantu owns Durban July in barely their cutout number. Nothing was left to the imagination when Zodwa Wabantu showed up at the Vodacom Durban July this year. The dancer had every eye on her, and she ate it up like a child in a candy store. Zodwa is known for her hot body and her willingness to show it. She made sure she was the focus of attention when she rocked up in the barely there black sequins and lace floor-length, high-slit dress by Nonco C collection. If anyone was wondering if she was safely concealed under the dress, the back of the dress told on her. And the coup de grace? Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.